In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use text effects in Canva. First, we are going to click on Create a Design. As you can see, Canva has a new design, but nothing else really changed. It just looks a little bit more modern. And from here on the left side, you can see that you have all the options to create different designs, but for the sake of this video, we are going to create a wallpaper. And from the left side, we are going to click on Text. Now, we can add a text box, or I'm going to use a heading. Perfect. Now, click outside of the text. Let's hide this, we don't need this anymore, and click back on the text. And from here, we can change the font, which I'm going to do right now. Let me use Montserrat maybe, and let me make it a little bit bolder. Up here, we have the size of the font. We can change the color of the text. We can change the styling. And here we have effects. Click on that button. And from here, you can see different options. So we have none selected right now because there is no effect applied on the text. But we can add shadow. I'm going to change the color first so you can see it better. And I'm going to also choose the transparency so we can see what we are doing. Now, the first option is to offset, which is going to send backwards or forward the shadow. From here, we can choose the direction of the shadow. And from here, we can blur it. The second option is lift. This is going to make the text look like it's lifted up from the page. So if we increase this number, it's going to have more shadow behind, or less if we decrease it. Third option is having the hollow text. You can choose the thickness of the borders from here. Then we have splice. Let me just change the color again. And then we can choose the thickness of our borders. We can offset again. And we choose the direction of the splice effect. From here, we can outline our text. So if you want to have a different color border on the text, then you can just click on outline and change the thickness. The next one, it's called Echo. Let's change the color of this one also. Actually, let's choose something darker. And we can change the direction again and offset it for how far away we want the effect to be. Then you have glitch. Now, unfortunately for glitch, you cannot change the colors. This was the same in the previous version. We can offset the effect, of course, and we can choose the direction. I don't understand why you can't change the color of the glitch, but it is what it is. Then we have neon. For this to work, we have to change the color of the text. I'm going to choose orange. I'm also going to change the background because you can see what I'm doing here. And now back on the text, effects, neon. And here you can choose how strong do you want the neon effect to show. And here we have a background. So from here you can put a background on your text and change the roundness of the borders, how large is going to spread, and the transparency. And the last one, it's the shape of the text. If you want it straight or if you want it curved. So from here, let me just take off this one. Sorry for that. So from here, we can create our text. We can make it in a circle, or you can make it also the other way around.